Hello, welcome to Quiz with Arif. I am here with a new tips and tricks of maths. Let's talk about it right now. So, I am going to talk about divisibility rules. Here you can see the number one rule is a number is divisible by 2 if the last two digit of the ones place is divisible by 2. So let's see by an example. So here you can see 21. So 21's ones place is 1. So 1 is not divisible by 2. So the number 21 is not divisible by 2. Then the number is 24. One's place is 4. 4 by 2 equals 2. So it is divisible. So the number will be divisible by 2. Then let's take a big number like 2, 5, 4, 6, 8, 4, 3. So one's place is 3. So 3 is not divisible by 2. So it is not divisible by 2. Then the last number, which one's place is 4. So 4 is divisible by 2. So the number will be, of course, divisible by 2. Then let's talk about the second rule, which is a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So here look at the first number 19. So 1 plus 9 equals 10. So 10 is not divisible by 3. So the number won't be divided by 3. So the next number is 21. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 by 3 equals 3. So it is divisible by 3. So the number will be divided by 3. Then the next number 2, 5, 4, 6. 2 plus 5 equals 7 plus 4 equals 11 plus 6 equals 17 by 3, which is not possible. So the number won't be divided by 3. Then the last number 5, 4, 1, 5, 9 plus 6 equals 15 divided by 3. So it is divisible by 3. Now let's talk about the next rule. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits in the number are divisible by 4. So let's look at the first number 2, 4, 3. Last two digits are 4, 3. 4, 3 is not divisible by 4, so the number won't be divided by 4. Can't be divided by 4. So the second number 2, 4, 4. So 44 is the last two digits. So 44 by 4 is divisible by 4. So the number will be divisible by 4. Then the next number 3, 4, 2, 2, 2. So last two digits are 22, which is not divisible by 4. So the number will not be divisible by 4. Then the last number 5, 3, 2, 1, 2. So last two digits are 1, 2. So 1, 2 by 4, 12 by 4, which is possible. So the number will be divisible by 4. So that's it for the video. That's the 3 rules which will make it easier for you to do any maths which is divisible by 3, 2 or 4. Thank you for watching.